Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your exact Nvidia GPU and current driver so you download the correct package. Open Device Manager or Nvidia Control Panel and note model and driver version, then create a system restore point to revert if needed. Once done, close games and any GPU-intensive apps. Make sure Windows Update and antivirus pauses won't interfere. Next, choose between GeForce Experience or Manual Download from Nvidia. Pick Manual for clean installs, and proceed to the driver download page, matching your GPU and OS. You now run the installer you downloaded. First, pick Game Ready versus Studio depending on whether you prioritize gaming or content creation, and choose Custom, Advanced to enable a clean install option that removes old profiles. During installation, uncheck optional components you don't need, like HD audio or telemetry, to keep things lean. Let the installer unpack and install drivers. The screen may flicker and Windows may reboot. Once the installer finishes, verify the new version in Nvidia Control Panel to confirm success. You finish by rebooting and testing stability. Run a GPU stress test or your typical workload to ensure performance and temperatures are normal. If you experience crashes, black screens, or artifacts, roll back the driver through Device Manager or use the system restore point you created earlier. If problems persist, boot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to fully remove remnants, then reinstall the driver. One key tip: using the and a clean install usually solves persistent conflicts caused by leftover driver files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.